Charitable Pro builds your donation forms with a visual drag and drop builder. No code and no shortcodes, just the fields you want in the order you want them. Let me give you the full tour. Start in the Campaign Builder, the modern way to build campaigns in Charitable Pro. Open any campaign and click the Form tab. This is the visual donation form builder where you shape the form your donors fill out. Head to Form Options and switch on Enable Visual Form. That tells Charitable to use your custom form on the live donation page instead of the default one. Every campaign gets its own donation form, so you can tailor each one to its audience. At the top, you choose a form type. A single form keeps everything on one page. A multi-step form breaks it into friendly steps with a progress bar. For most campaigns, a single form is exactly right. Every form starts with a set of core fields. Donor name and donor email capture who is giving, and they are always required. Donation amount sets your suggested giving levels, pulled from the campaign's donation options. Payment collects the card details through your connected gateway. Address is included but optional for receipts and records. And there is a privacy policy field ready whenever you need a consent checkbox. Need to collect more? Just drag a field in from the left. There is a whole library here, from single text, dropdowns, and checkboxes to dates, numbers, and file uploads. Drop it where you want it and reorder anytime. Let us add a single text field to ask for a company name. Select any field to open its settings. Give it a clear label and add a helpful placeholder. Choose where the answer should appear in your exports, emails, and donation records. And with conditional logic, you can show or hide a field based on another answer. When you are happy, save your campaign. Your form is now live on the donation page, custom fields and all. There is your new company name field, ready for donors. That is the visual donation form builder. For more charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.